The less pockets, the less junk I can put in this purse. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Ooh. All right, y'all. So we're back again with another bag video. If you haven't checked out my last Coach bag video, make sure you go ahead and check it out. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Also, it will be on the end card at the end of the video, but make sure you check that video out. The bag was so cute. It was like giving luxury. And also in the video, I talk about what luxury means to me, and it doesn't necessarily mean like having a bunch of expensive things and having like 20 luxury bags. Anything that you want makes you luxurious, okay? Getting my nails done, that is a luxury to me, okay? Clickety clack, clickety clack, clack, clack. Let me go ahead and introduce y'all to my new baby. This bag was gifted to me from my husband. I was given this bag on Mother's Day, and yo, let's just say, this bag is so freaking cute. Look at it. Oh my goodness, it is so freaking beautiful. This is a Kleo shoulder bag, 17 signature chambray. I have it in the color gold denim. Right now, this bag is on sale for $159.20. My husband did get this bag from the Coach outlet. I'm not sure how much he paid exactly, but I will list it on the screen, what he paid, and just remember, he does get a military discount as well. All right, y'all, so look at this bag. Like, blue is my favorite color. So I'm a little bit more organized in this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some unboxing, and then we'll be back and talk about the bag. I've had this bag since Mother's Day, but this is my first time like unboxing it. It's still wrapped up in everything, y'all, because I was down for the count. I don't think about no bag. But yes, I'm so excited. In the front, we do have this buckle, and the clasp is also magnetic. I love that for me. But let's go ahead and pull the rest of this plastic off. This is the strap you can use to wear it as a crossbody, and it's also a shoulder bag as well. But most likely, I'll be wearing this bag as a crossbody because I'm a crossbody kind of gal. I'm still getting this plastic off this hardware, y'all. But yes, drop a comment down below and let me know what kind of bag girl are you. I used to love totes, but I no longer do. The bag is bigger. I put more stuff in it, and it makes my back hurt. It makes my back hurt, my shoulders hurt. So I'm more of a crossbody shoulder bag kind of girl, but even with the shoulder bags, I don't like them to be too big. Getting all the plastic off the hardware and the straps is such a tedious task. Goodness grief. But I am loving the details on this bag. Like, it has Coach and the hardware. It's just so beautiful. I love the little tassel. On the back of the bag, I have this zipper right here. You know, you can slide something in there. For the pockets that I have on the back of my bags, I normally just slide my phone in and out of there, so I don't have to go in and out of it. The inside of this bag is so freaking beautiful. Like, y'all, the suede is just screaming luxury to me. And then you also have the shoulder strap as well. You can detach the straps if you want to go for the shoulder bag look, or if you want to go for the crossbody look. Most likely I'm going to detach this strap, but I don't know, it depends on the day. So when you open it up, it's not a lot of pockets in this pocketbook, but that's okay. The less pockets, the less junk I can put in this purse. You do have a small pocket right in the front as soon as you open up the bag, and then you have the main compartment right here. And then you have like a little small compartment right here. I feel like this is a perfect everyday bag. It's not doing too much. I also feel like this bag can go with a lot of outfits. I feel like this bag is so beautiful. And normally I'm not a fan of the Coach, what is it, monogram? When I saw this bag, y'all, I just had to have it. I was stuck between this bag and a cream colored crossbody. Yo, I love a good cream nude bag, but I find that when it rubs up against your clothes, like it gets stained, and you know, you just have to baby nude and cream bags, and I am not the baby in my bag kind of gal. Like, that is not me. I just put my bag on, I take good care of it, and I go about my day. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I can fit in my bag, and then we just gonna wrap this video on up. Y'all saw everything that I put in my bag. Those are normally the items that I have in my pocketbook every day, no matter what size I'm carrying. I'm gonna always have those items. The only thing that's not showing in my pocketbook is my receipts. Y'all, I am a return fiend. Like, if I can't fit it, I'm returning it. If it's not my color, shade, and makeup, I'm returning it. I don't understand how some people be like, oh, just forget it, I don't care. No, I love to return. I don't care if it's Amazon, Shein, Sephora, Ulta, I'm returning it, okay? So I always keep a bunch of receipts in my pocketbook. My husband always talk about me and how many receipts that I keep. My pocketbook is never junky, but y'all, I be having a lot of receipts. Like, always come with your receipts. Like I stated, I think this is the perfect everyday bag. Now that my items are in the bag, it's not too heavy. It's not going to be heavy on my shoulder or anything like that. I'm obsessed with the design. I just love it. It is so beautiful. Like, that denim is just like hitting, and I cannot wait to style it. Like, I cannot wait to style it. Actually, I'm going to the bar tonight, and I'm gonna be looking cute with my little crossbody on. Yes, this is gonna be the look. I might keep this shirt on, because what have I done besides sit in front of the camera and talk to y'all? What have I done? I'm probably gonna call my dad. I always call my dad once I'm finished recording, because y'all, like, my dad be making me feel like he is my biggest fan when it comes to my YouTube, because he's like always watching, commenting. He sends me pictures of me like on the TV, and he be saying my intro, y'all. Drop a comment down below and let me know, do you like my new baby? Like, what should I call her? Yo, I love this bag so much, and I feel like when it comes to my bags, my husband be knowing. He be knowing, y'all. And I have to admit, when it comes to my bags, I don't have like a gazillion bags. I probably have like 6 bags. Yeah, my husband, he really be doing it with the bags. Like, he knows my style, he knows my taste, he knows what colors I like. Like, one year for my birthday, he got me this snake print Michael Kors tote. Like, yo, that jank was just like, it was just beautiful. Like, my husband just be knowing. And just know that if you get a Coach bag, it's gonna last you, because it's giving quality. Okay, it's giving quality, top tier quality. Okay, so stop sleeping on Coach. Stop sleeping on Coach Outlet, because Coach is giving all the luxury vibes on a budget. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below, and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. as always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.